Inventory?
Everyone, put these on. I can't have all of you freeze to death before we even get to fight magic beasts.
Spatial magic?
I thought it was only possible to summon 2 to 3 low-ranking items using spatial magic. How was he able to summon so many?
Who the heck is that guy?
Hey, mister, what's your deal?
I dragged you into this, so I'll protect you. In exchange, just don't ask me any questions. The same goes for the rest of you.
Don't ask me anything and don't expect anything from me.
Over there! It's an ice bear!
You said that all we had to worry about were ice bears, but they are all high-ranking beasts.
I knew it! We shouldn't have ventured into the forest. I'll distract it. You guys try and find an opening. What are you doing?
Let me make this clear. I'm going to defeat all the magic beasts by myself. I can't pass up an opportunity to gain experience points. I wonder how strong I am at my current level. Since this is a high-ranking magic beast, shall I test myself? It's over! I'm getting a lot more experience points because this beast was high-ranking.
Who are you?